for Akabastronko and Coma Obibia Sadane Damunya Ebre, Edgy Edja Eti and somewhere day ever so more it was too much GHS so. Na ene day our reform you nubia say no dear because a one more a war like one more ejaya enesa. One more asaba a limelight numu ebiema one more by any dear any ejaya busia for yeah tomamento ano dear and yan tokwa dear Mr. Mwara ano dear anyway kana we ya can we kana we omudo mano bro womu ye na Ghana for edwen wa womonti ase say yeah a Christopher mpo na womu edisa edwuma we na ebusia mama yembonra ensem no emu yenu abanyu tuni abrante gospel musician Joyce Blessing wone ne ex-husband aklashe ewo live radio ewo Neat FM na ensem no enyina wo mkopie mu ewo honom no na Joyce Blessing accuse ni kunu ne former husband no of signing her out of all her social media pages na ensem ni nyina eba ye na asem wo mo entempted ye se de mo amu ni mo story nya fe ni ye ba be ne tintin bia awareja ye ho nsensem ba ye na Romeo di bebetu edwama Ghana for ete ye afei Joyce Blessing call be ma no enua be fie se wokoje enkwada na akwakoye pipa sa video no circulate wo social media okokotena radio so ka se ode ne nsem ama lawyer for so wo mu hwehwem kenim se nsem no akwa na so ne day yi Joyce Blessing was granted an interview and wo ko Neat FM no ho na chese wo ni kunu no wo mkoko share nkopo empunimpu wo ho no na chese wo hu na ade na chese hu ebe hi asem ne boso asem nyina wo kan ede kire ni kunu wo ma ni hunu se de wo ye ne nye na no na start ye na chese wo busa ne se adenti na wa sign me out free social media pages no and just work what the allegations bebre egu bema yiso na bema yiso so ase wono akwakọ ye obi ase won pe crowd mu ade je nyomenti no wo ka kire ne se abayiwa ebe ya anka yenye den yenko ye kwa abonti anase ye hia yenko pe baabi ne ye hia na yenkeka nsem we na enye radio so anase live so na wo beba ka nsem we nyina na so abaya yi die ye ni abayi wanfa abrante na asem anya asem na chese kokoye akasa ewo social media kokoye akasa sorry ewo Neat FM chese na akoya ade a emu ade na Ghana for say Christopher pa na mudi djuma say na Joyce Blessing dey be wunu kunu wa asem na say bia momontam o te krampo na wahia no ewo radio station wo be wo grant interview ho na ode so bo ebobo no say nka mu wie interview na anka betimi ahia no wokokwam ebia mi kunu dada say na nokre anase nya nokre no watimi no watena say atwetwen komo anase watimi acheche no mamu ede acho ne ba ne sen na wutimi ekokoye wadwen say live radio no aso no wokwa puti allegations edi egu no sunt no mu hu ne say abaya no ne reaction na wo take ye no enye na no na bi no mo so say there be say brand no say dwuma pa sa na wadidia enye ne kwan so no so ne abaya ne ni wo bi ma that doesn't mean say wonya den wonkonko signing it out every any social media pages so as a first na woni no wo ho na woni no manage bibia woni wo no crampo na woni ne nche no crampo so man get access to ne nyoma because no ne nyoma enegu ho no nya wo nyoma enya de se wo na ato nyum di gu ho ana se enya de se wo na wo kọ shows no na wo di hu videos ababa beto enti so wo di se adwuma no dia enye na abusuan mo man konko hwe video no baby a na bia ya sa nyoma no esie ne nkita hudi a so ewo no
Pacho mami introduce you nche meti for kakra abusuan for nipa ni ka say Dave Joy Joyce Blessing former manager let me can say correct former manager Pacho okay Dave I don't know waji Joyce or artist ne social media handles are on fama no
so they did come at you for no matter Joyce Blessing.
Okay.
You say no your part. But maintain social media handles and free.
Onje ni social media handles and free ni sem.
Me pacho dey be no correct.
Nene I don't know creative for.
Oh, I'm say some weeks ago na me say will be releasing and when one country will be releasing and I say on releasing because you're quite first releasing and you'll be releasing so after production or management now say strategy we first be promoting so no realize out and now I can't do anything about it so be doing kakranti later now some of the companies FM is for the new bank account I'm almost say any revenue be different in brand mobile or among directly revenue and call the personal account the bank account.
Mepajo maintain say focus on the new bank account or my companies nibia. What does it mean? Like companies
like
are not revenue say
online,
free no.
Streaming YouTube like revenue be free the brand my one say I would Joyce brand aside we doing gospel we do business in most of companies and handle the online way and yes so companies they manage in terms of Sunday latest cause for revenue in that account not a company account and but because of the air contract I think it's more ignorant. I think last week I have friend many than like a friend I say a bayanka or me share resolve it at the beer or nanka you're moving on no so or home. The next minute I'm Halifax say only the Joy record label so no juma or be a new YouTube channel it's the social media handles and friends.
Dave, Nipa on na Juma for more than 10 years, if I'm not mistaken. Na what the emphasis say bia asemasi na one who say bia will be any new channels or person or Juma or they promoting the brand. What will you lose if you say oh or the G password now the handles now we say a woman or no? Ube lose bibi.
Honestly, password and our company so far YouTube and say Spice Africa. I'm handle Joyce YouTube. Though I have access, I'm the monitor at the Air Kosubia. But once aside Joyce brand and most of companies sponsor promotions, videos and a whole lot. So only because we're free label and also we have to sit down and if we are a better plan is okay. We be koha be meet be say we new management be hali do money do company we sponsor we anyway or contract akase you can't just leave like say only microphobia or push brand and I say one hour they ask one person.
It's said yet companies you have companies are more business dada.
Yes.
And because say or movie on you need to sit down and find ways of doing it. Said a bear and question any companies
No, said a bear a contract. Now in our contract most of the companies or promote you get it. And now more in returns. I mean for returns into job.
Okay.
And say be a Joyce be free a label no so. Yes it's not say okay, Joyce, you juma way dry. Be a cabby say cry or baby. A new management in a handful because manager is a family. And yet to say Mr. Olan juma.
Okay.
It's a family. I did made it by Mr. Olan means me find a Joyce. That's what it is. So we have to sit down as two mature people menena kasa in person. I think you share the management itself also organic home.
Okay, Mimi Sawe, more contract be between Money Joyce.
A rating contract, no.
Money contract, rating contract.
No.
So their contract na more okay, maybe my Mimi Sawe is I'm confused you.
Okay.
Money rating contract between Wone Joyce, you as the manager and the CEO or maybe of Dave Joy Records, you don't have contract. Maybe I just say.
Okay, I say the Joy Production.
Yeah, the Joy
and
Production.
the Joy
Yeah.
Records.
Mm-hmm.
Joyce is part of the label.
Okay, so she's a joint
Aside
owner.
Aside artist now, the company meaning the company
Okay.
as the record label and your management.
Mm-hmm.
And the for count.
Okay.
You get it.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a Uber free label, so the management, the label no dey between me no.
Okay, it me pacho yenyen back wow. It is say no Dave Joy Productions no. E only Joyce dia.
Me pacho.
And now more managers and I say more team a war and that
management team manage Joyce aside the label. No.
Aside the label no.
Yeah.
So when it gets to say be a tria management team na more agree to pay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. It is say no, we say mo pese mo tena say na we resolve the issue. Said be obey me go ahead to use any other thing mo build it together no. It's a contract you know what are you sitting on?
Oh, the reason is I said no, you need to plan aside the label no, management itself no, you need workers and after you for my investing. You get it. As a Joyce Bay program, your sponsorship, your proposals. You get it.
Mm-hmm.
It be 1 year, it be 2 years, it be 6 months. You get it. It's only money. We have to sit down. Now any other companies now so I can say. Now maybe a Joyce or maybe a management way maybe only label and now they are out of the Joy cry. The label and the management. That's what I say.
Mm-hmm.
And then you say or say or coordinate and then you transfer banner yatnas and I feel moving on.
Dave, I say we drag it too much MY as media.
No. I think so can say or back for me. It's a train call. As an English Joyce is also over frame now.
Okay, hold on. Joyce. I am pastor also be former manager.
Okay. As I said, they didn't now buy a new channel. No.
Okay.
Dan latte post you on Facebook.
Okay.
And I Dave Fred Dan. Say I didn't tina on posty on the page.
Mm-hmm.
So what I say, I have one consulti on new Dave.
Okay.
And I Dan say lately no who say me old account no details no man farmer me into video me me baby I me post video.
Okay.
Nti nkomo de maame aye bia nka manfa new channel anye den amba nti na ono so post here because also ono so boa na it be promoting and also you onjia so na oframe me na ode to so and ono company dan ne ka say onimi ni problem and all that na ono kwa na adwin so obeframe me to ono no mom no ka say obeframe me
no na wo so kodwene
ono no mom no ka say obeframe me and then I don't want to be showing things. I have letter on one send me send you official letter to mailer. The contract is between Spice Africa, Dave Joy Productions, and me Joyce Blessing.
Okay.
Mail now me send it to the three companies. Yeah,
okay.
Say I'm no longer with Dave Joy.
Dave Joy management.
And then one reply for some time. Into me from one. Nina, I was preparing for the video.
Okay.
Into Oma me reply, yeah, no, my from what be some how far things are going. And I gave more letter. Say, mommy logins to the
details,
account.
No, okay.
Yeah. Into for now, me, Julie, and I, me publicist.
Okay.
Ona or share me Facebook,
social media.
Yes. Into you know lately, no sign me off from YouTube, no, into for months now, let me name the cost and then was sign me off from me Facebook page. I have all the screenshots. Me screenshot because I don't want to be talking, but always no omomuni ma say much and they be on better now I quite to say what's someone yet into me no my screenshot you see, and then this Google
recovery no email
you see Joyce Blessing Media Excel.
Okay.
Which was my Gmail. And then Julia changing password to that. And also na password make one say Gmail handle all the accounts.
Social media accounts.
Yes. Until no sign me off from it. And then you have the
all signing off, did they tell you?
No.
Dave.
Yes, I was.
Most signing off from one I didn't want can channel.
You're signing off from where?
Social media handles. The former one, Namoneni Edumano. No, but what shows screenshot of account? Yes, she's no longer. She has no longer access to this account.
No, Mr. Ola, number one, I have access to the account. Joyce McCann said, MBA said, you discussed this on radio. I'm saying Joyce order Julie say money post to be in social media for some time. And Julie can't share me. So anyone who's be log in into the pages. So Obianson countries will be logging in, and before you can log in, just amount access.
Me dey no can because me any one say okasa oba me access to me what you say me account and say obi sign in because I was finding difficult to sign in. They say omo change password to it.
It won't mean logging in anymore.
Exactly.
Dave, so what you are
it's me the different account and I check what was going on there. So now posti niema.
David Bacho,
without my consent. That was why I'm sending a message. Mikachi and say shouldn't post anything there.
Okay.
Because Menkancho say posti bibia. Oh yeah.
All right, Dave. Me Bacho meet you. Fache me.
Yeah, me Bacho. The TN said the Joyce can ABA education and idea. Me Joyce ne handle the online bibia.
Yeah, waka was say publicist na not a handle.
Spice Africa. Almost sending me letter say. Spice African is sending me that letter say, Joyce say, on transfer every revenue. Now on yet the Joy artist bill. Now because no issue number into hold on yantua contract na what than also. So obian change anything, but no obi ra YouTube any other way now on countries. So you say okay, so
and you be on a room. How will I know it's my account? So
how will I know that Joyce no person or room? I'm on friend some country say or person or log in.
Okay, Dave, it's hearing say so.
Only access to the account.
Dave, Pacho, hearing say so. If your artist wants to log in into account and that's why she needs clearance from you, answer.
Yeah, because you will pay this in your personal account.
It's only create personal account, man.
Mr. Ole,
yes, sir.
Access to the page for more than 6 years.
Oh, boy.
I did better or the personal Facebook account, not even the pages. A campaign because you say artists need to have access to their pages. Ofiliso post bibiano post bibi ofiliso bibiano and before bibi ever Joyce pages their management classes got all publicists.
No more check here. I say the right content.
I didn't online be an air affecting the brand.
Okay, Dave. Matthias, Matthias, say baby about Druni.
But is that only access? No, try to log in.
It's only access. 18 more creative from or beautiful from.
I have all the password and the no more change password. Now you said this is the password. Now they have changed it, and the new password is between any me publicist, which I have no access to my account. If I want to reach out to my fans, now it's very difficult.
Dave, is that correct?
And you say Joyce person access to my account. Offer me Dave. Me person access to my account. I don't have my account now. Manager is blessing.
Which have done that.
I saw a flow one farmer no.
No, friend. Before God and man.
Okay. Dave, it's okay, me patcho. Dave, me patcho. Me no credit.
And I said you. Manager is on man.
Dave, you had it. My interest is artist management, female artists pushing them. That's me interest. Say it's Dave. DNA beya ebema artist a friend Joyce blessing. Obenya ni peace of mind no akoso aye na dwuma between you, her and the other management. DNA enye say.
Oh, so the American say ahombra say nkunyi.
Okay.
And Elias na ya wono ya kase entiasia eba ko manager is the issue yeah fine, very fine.
So what should we do? Should we have a sit down?
Yeah, we have to sit down and talk.
One also are involved in the sit down discussion, no?
Oh, Nipo be free say Joyce free so Bema na with me. But I coming in me to cry cool.
No, only immunity I don't think say a good advice.
Oh no. So like what?
No, I think say Muni me no can sit to talk about marriage issue, but business that you need witnesses.
So I think say YouTube no my for but
you don't need it anymore.
No post BB maybe a performance kwa na better new one no a report no ma putting it down.
Oh
no, Mr. Ola.
Yeah, I shouldn't be talking about this, but you see,
Joyce, and you control Spice Africa.
I have the messages. I have the messages. You report.
Dave.
Joyce
yeah, because I'm more registered brand than any other. Anybody who uses it, a best flag.
You get it?
Okay, Dave, Mr. Admini Tifu in a poacho. Yes, sir. Yen fix it day be na yen pen for back community. Na yen trash this management and artist issue name free. The Canadian mummy no say you can deal with it anytime you want to. But to leave the Joyce brand hanging is very uncomfortable for us. But just what I say. It's over my date I'm and I yen over frame at my date.
Oh, me a calling now, Joyce. Some of you say, oh, okay.
Okay.
Go on the corner, making. Who was that done last?
All right, but me that's the day. Yami Sharpa.
The last day, Okotre say Joyce management adding a social media handle.
And that is true.
Done. Me bow. Post your Facebook and Fred done. I said no. I don't know Okotre say.
Dave.
No credit.
Dave, me that's it. What the time has some fetch me. It's a Joyce in my timer. Na ya she near resolve ya no be any assume the patch up. Why? That's it. Very Joyce. We are me don't you never party of ya. Come to him. Why? We are very fine. It's I'm asking. Are you ready for us to talk about it? Resolving one for you are ready for that?
Oh yeah, I'm ever ready. But you see, it's about one thing. I'm the different.
No, but this is in house and yeah, they about radio so.
Say me access to all those accounts and can be a do with my brand. We mean I'm starting one, and then one now must start because of say
problem. No, esa and you be out better be no, you be flag it.
Because of say new ones now must on I have messages no me mail me to me that show Dave Joy.
Don't worry about that one. Let's find solution.
I'm ready to move on, but I want them to stop distracting me.
Okay.
Yeah. Because they are not ready to give my handles to me. My far right channel, my BBA was a me, and yet has in was a bit discussed. My BBA was a me that they not or now. I think say it's semikasa mates now we di or muichia a bay and send BBA boame.
Okay.
So I have to move on.
So and you don't want us to sit down and resolve this one?
Say no or castle or better as you or Hano. I can't find
me friend.
Okay.
Me who word name here.
I'm ever ready.
Me crying over Father Dixon office.
I'm ever ready.
You sure? You promise us you're ready?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I mean, sure.
That's it.
I could do Ramwati.
Oh.
I did for you. You know that. Okay. You know I did for you.
Okay.
I was for move and chairman my SCD me time no. Manager is blessing the dean come on no. Kongonsa mo paid in the main farm for move mas and so me so.
Womo ensem no ekoko si ye na no na maga na fo bi no so eche wo madwen se de medi kan ye no wo ye fidie no eso enti no wo so a wo fie wo hwe video yi ne se de no ma ekona hwan na wo so wodi fo na hwan so na so wodi ebem for wadwen kire no ebra wo tuma gh comment section ebiem so share video yi efoma anuanom adofonom ene enafofo wo all the social media platform e ma remfi say wo be mia eye adoma no say dey upload the video bia wetimi enya notification na do wadwen kire no so aba na emrepam no making kan e dey ama follow yen e wo ye IG page @tumagh_ media any equiasi kapada sene ye besane shia.
Oniadafo ahaye GH too much and I okay Malupi and a case also for Malupi me baby I mean ko baby too much GH how na video na to one and subscribe come home yan ko yan sem power me that's my crowd